Are you ready to discover the keys to financial independence and prosperity? Then watch this video to the end and you will learn how to accumulate, save and increase your money. A group of children live in a small town. They were best friends and always spent time together. One day, while walking in the park, they accidentally stumbled upon an old abandoned building. Going inside, they discovered that it was a magical bank. It came to life as soon as the children crossed its threshold. Huge doors created and opened in front of them, and inside they saw a magic banker, a wise and kind old man. "Welcome, children. I see that you have found a magical bank," the banker said with a smile. "I'm here to teach you the importance of financial literacy and money management." The children were amazed and interested. They sat in front of the banker and he began to tell them about the meaning of money and how to manage it properly. "Money is something special," the banker began. "It helps us to buy the things we need and allows us to fulfill our dreams. But in order to have money, you need to be able to earn it." The children listened attentively and asked questions. The banker explained to them that you can earn money in different ways: helping your parents around the house, painting pictures, doing small crafts or providing other services for which you will be paid. But just making money is not enough, the banker continued. It is important to be able to plan your expenses. This means that you must know how much money you have and what you want to spend it on. This way you can make wise decisions and not spend all the money at once. The children turned out they realized that they had not thought about the expenses before and simply spent money on what they want at the moment. Now they became interested in how to plan their expenses properly. The magic bank suddenly came to life and it was began to show different scenes. The children saw how one boy planned his expenses. He wrote down how much money he had and what he wanted to spend them on. He made a shopping list and started to eat so as not to overspend. Now, let's talk about another important aspect of financial literacy: saving some of the income, the banker said, and the children began to listen carefully again. The banker told them that if they save some of their money, you can achieve their goals. For example, if they want to buy a new expensive toy by saving a small amount every week, they can raise the required amount of money and buy this toy. The children were delighted with everything they learned. They realized that financial literacy is an important skill that will help them in the future, and they will want to know even more. Now I invite you to go on a exciting journey throughout the Magic Bank, where you can learn more about the various aspects of money management. The children were delighted with the banker's offer and looked forward to what lies ahead. The magic bank began to change before their eyes. The walls became transparent and they saw a huge room filled with various magical objects and games, and began to explore the world of finance. They visited different rooms where they played games related to making money, planning expenses and saved some of the income. They understood that learning financial literacy can be interesting and fun. One of the rooms was full of coins and banknotes from different countries. The children learned to recognize different currencies and their value. They played in the store where each of them was a seller and a buyer, and learned to count money and give correct change. Children learn to plan their expenses by choosing that they want to spend money. They learn that it is important to prioritize the right things and not just spend money on something that they want at the moment. Children learn to create their own piggy bank and set aside some of their money to achieve their goals for the future. They realize that by saving money, they can gradually accumulate the required amount and make purchases that they had long dreamed. The magic bank was just a magical place where children not only learn financial literacy but also spend time with pleasure. They realize that managing money is an important skill that will help them become successful and independent in the future. At the end of the trip, the children were full of new knowledge and ideas. They were willing to apply them in their daily lives and share them with older children to help them become financially literate. And so, with a smile on their faces, the children thanked the banker and left the magical bank, knowing that they now had the knowledge to help them achieve their dreams and goals. Now the children were ready to apply their new knowledge, practice, and become true masters of financial literacy.